Hello everyone and welcome back to Motors&Me. So actually I wasn't planning on shooting a video today, but a few days ago while doing my weekly checkup on my Ford, checking all the fluids and do a short visual inspection of the engine, I noticed something wrong. The next morning, right before the car got serviced, I shot a video of the problem, but it was in the dark and we had very foggy weather, so the quality of the video will be bad, but maybe you'll be able to see something. Well, yesterday when I did my weekly checkup on my Ford, I noticed this. An oil leak, and it goes all the way down there. And it seems that the oil is leaking from behind the vacuum pump. But I'm not sure, but it seems that way. Well, it also seems that I have lost some oil. Not a whole lot, but still something. Again, sorry for the bad quality. I thought that the seals on my vacuum pump were going bad, but as it turns out, it was just a loose or broken clamp, and that's it. And the way it looks now, well, see for yourself, it's more or less clean. That's a new clamp that was broken, and it's still oily down there. They haven't cleaned that, but oh well, it hasn't leaked since, so I guess, yeah, that was just a loose clamp. A cheap fix, I would say. So the purpose of this video is just to show you how a leaking vacuum pump can look like. I seriously thought, knowing my luck, that this will be a new vacuum pump fix, but turns out to be a €1 fix. Hey, can't complain. If, however, the vacuum pump on your car is starting to go, there are mostly two major signs to look for. One is, obviously, an oil leak, and the second one, which is much scarier, and that is when your brake pedal gets hard. Happened to me once, and was scary. And that happened when the EGR valve on my Ford was starting to go. And of course, the brake pedal had to get hard when I was driving up on a stop sign. And of course, cars were coming. I think I stood up in the car while pressing the brakes. Yeah, it's scary. And so that's it for this short video. Thank you guys for watching. If you liked it, you can give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And see you next time. Bye-bye.